Donald McMahon, a landscape architect, an architect visited the home of a famous judge. He went to the famous judge houseman. He was there for the business to discuss landscaping kind of thing. Yeah, they talked. So this architect noticed something. The judge had beautiful dogs. The judge has beautiful dogs. So this architect, instead of discussing about the business, he sincerely admired the dogs. He said, Judge, you have wonderful hobby. Your dogs are very beautiful. You have wonderful hobby. Your dogs are very beautiful. Like this architect told. Then automatically what happened is the judge became excited. He proudly showed his kennel, okay, the prize-winning dogs. Next, their pedigrees, their awards, all those things he proudly showed, man, to this person. Because this architect touched his heart. Not talking about the business, touched his heart. He recognized, he showed interest, he recognized his value. Okay, like they spent almost an hour talking only about the dogs and so on, all these things. Finally, the judge asked, do you have the children? The judge asked the architect, do you have the children? Okay, architect replied, yes, I have one son. Judge smiled and he said, then I'm going to give your son one of these puppies as a gift. I'm going to give, okay, to your son one of these puppies as a gift. I hope. Are you getting the point, right? He also typed detailed feeding instructions also. And gave the puppy and the feeding instructions, okay, to this architect. Simply because someone sincerely appreciated his lifelong hobby. Someone sincerely appreciated. That architect sincerely appreciated. He felt very happy. As a gift, he gave one small puppy to his son. So, honest admiration. Okay, the sincere appreciation built an instant connection. Remember. So what their hobbies? What is their? So something you require to identify, appreciate them. Automatically you are going to get Packard car or otherwise puppy. Just kidding. But compulsory you are going to get, man. Don't feel. So appreciation, honest appreciation, admiration, these kind of things, compulsory. Better to use as much as possible. Check all aspects of opposite person's life. Touch their heart directly. Don't talk about business or these kind of things. When you sincerely value what the people love, they naturally value to you also. Okay?